Alright guys, we're in the Yeeps hide and seek update with him.
Hello.
Daddy, is that you? Okay, what the? I know there's something new on this tech web. Oh,
Let's see.
zone copier.
What sing me?
What the?
I'm happy.
Let's see if there's anything new in lab, and then we'll go to like beach, and then we'll go to like the music thing, and then yeah.
Okay, Lego.
Alright guys, I'm back. Tate, where are you? This is different. Vote broadcaster? I don't get that.
Here now. Are you in the shop?
No, I don't have enough booty coins, bro, for the chainsaw, I don't think.
Wait, where is it?
I'd have to, there's just it's like these two things, the D latch and the SR latch.
Okay.
Let's go to outpost. I think the chainsaw is an outpost. That's all I really know about is the chainsaw. $800 for the chainsaw? $800 for the chainsaw. Alright, so the chainsaw is $800. So yeah, I don't really have enough. But guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Alright. No. No. Alright. My friend is gonna be joining in a second. So yeah. Wait. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back and yeah, and I can like it's almost like the butt coins just magically. Oh, that knockback is crazy. Oh, bye bye, Tate. Oh, seize him. Kill him. Oh, my boundary is like messed up. Okay, so guys, alright guys, I'm back for like the 50th time. So yeah, I just had to redo my boundaries like those messed up. I heard this chainsaw works like something in creative. It might like destroy blocks in creative. So we just need to check beach. We need to check we need to go check beach, music biome. Beach and music biome. And fantasy. Let's go to fantasy first. We'll do beach last. We'll do beach last. So let's go to fantasy. We're doing fantasy first. Mushroom Village. I doubt they added anything here. Alright, my friends aren't in the same server as me. But it doesn't matter since they didn't add anything. I'm gonna go check the music bomb. Grave cave. Oh! Yeah, they did add something, so you can buy the record store too. And they so they switched to so it changes now. So yeah, you could get the unreleased ones now. Wait, they have more stuff. Wait. Alright, now which one should I buy? This one? Oh, what's this one? It's like a click. I don't really care about the click. Alright, so now since I'm a broke boy now. Let's go to beach. Wait. Okay, so they can hear me, but you can't hear them since I'm in the call. But guys, is there anything in beach? Because if not, then I'm not gonna come. Since I'm already at like Blue House, so our starter house, so we can go into a private. Yeah, turrets have been. Wait, guys, check the game mode. Deck web. Yeah, that's in red versus blue, and prop on tech web. Wait, I'll check prop on tech web. I forgot about prop. Yeah, Loki forgot about prop. It's been there for like 10 years even. Yeah, there's nothing now. There's one thing that I wasn't able to buy, and I'm kind of meow now. But I don't really care about it because of the sound it made kind of buns. It's just something like stupid. It's like, Alright, guys, go into my community road. And we'll go into the map that I'm making. Alright, follow me. We need to go Pet Palace. We temporarily left our world code wherever. Alright. And go to Prop Hunt. And then go to Tap Tag. And then go to Godzilla. Well, it's not named Godzilla yet, but it's gonna. Yep, and this is what's in progress. Alright, so wait. What can this chainsaw do? It can get rid of... Yeah, I know. Actually, we know what the chainsaw does now.
We can't use it because we need permission for deleting.
Oh, you need permission for deleting. I think Tate has permission for deleting.
I was like the last one.
Wait, I want to test out the zone copier now. Tate, go back in the app. Okay, so this is the zone copier. Oh!
Oh, it's like copy it?
Oh!
Whoa, that's
so I can bring it all the way up here and copy this whole building?
Cool. And then you move this with this little thing for the thing, like, Mason.
Oh, that's cool.
That's the width. That's cool.
How do I move the width?
It's this middle.
No,
the middle. Oh, that's so.
So if we bring it all the way
right there. Right there.
Yeah, right there. Wait, no.
Stop grabbing the
Ethan,
ground.
stop.
Got it?
Yeah, it's good enough. Let me do it. Okay. Let me do it, bro. Let me do it.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. That makes everything easier. Yeah, that's a lot cooler. Alright, now copy it. Should I click copy?
So if we copy it, and then
paste it, right? What the sigma?
I think it needs more room.
Oh, okay, there we go.
That's sick.
That's pretty cool. Alright, now we have to delete it.
But now we need to get rid of it.
Oh wait, you can like use it to delete too.
Yeah, no. Hey, give it back!
Gotta make sure it doesn't. No, wait, no, guys, bring it over a little more. Bring it. Yeah, there you go.
Delete.
Bruh. Okay. Yeah, that's
really
sick.
Cool.
Should I chop down this? Guys, we should make a chopping tree map.
Oh my god, that's a good idea. Wait a minute. Hold up. I need to test something. Wait, I'm gonna place down a couple blocks for something. I'm gonna turn it to play mode. You guys don't do anything. You guys don't do anything. Now, if I get the chainsaw. I just said don't do anything, bro. It's like... Does this give you cotton if you do that? No, it doesn't. Because that would have given me a good idea for stuff. Hey!
Well, we still totally can do like a tree cutting map. That'd be fun.
Yeah, we probably can.
Well. Oh yeah,
I don't think there's anything
we forgot
else.
to say, guys. Well, we found a new game. Make a video.
Oh wait, what's this? There's a new camera.
What's in there? What is it? Hey, well.
How do you get out of here?
You become Godzilla.
Dun, 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 dun,
But it doesn't. Oh wait, you're. How the hell?
I don't even know how we got in there.
Creative.
Okay, that needs to be fixed.
What even is this little ball, though?
I don't know. It's just a new camera.
That's weird.
Yeah, so this is really cool.
Turn to creative.
As we have my friend being trapped in there forever in misery.
Fight! I'm dodging your shots. Get good.
Bro, the chainsaw is 100% gonna win. Alright. Well, yeah, that's the end of the video.
Jason, please turn to creative.
Bye-bye.